Hi, it's day 51 of the 90-day mental, emotional, spiritual well-being series. I want to talk upgrades today. How can you upgrade something that you've already got going on in your life, but you know what, just take it up that standard, just up that just a little more. So what could you upgrade? What could you change? What is something that's been quite normal, common, just you've been, you know, it's been the same, you haven't changed anything for a little while, but something new can happen. So I'll give you some ideas. How about painting your room? All right, could your living area do with a fresh lick of paint? It's not expensive to get a new tin of paint and a couple of brushes, but the dramatic feeling that it will give you, you know, a fresh lick of paint, just kind of like really uplift and make you think, oh, this feels new, this feels fresh, and it's your living environment. So you want your living environment to really uplift you. So and along those lines, you could, you know, buy some new decorative pieces. If you're going to go all the way, you might be changing carpets, furniture, changing the whole look, new frames. You know, there's little things that you can do, or you can take it to the other end. You could also just upgrade in terms of focal areas. So beautiful bunch of flowers, or really nice kind of candle and scents and essential oils. So just like a little area where, you know, you just feel like you've come home when you just look at that particular part of your room. You can upgrade bed sheets. Right? When was the last time you bought new bed sheets? And one thing that I did, I bought new silk pillowcases. So it's a bit of an investment, but beautiful. So silk pillowcases, that luxury when you go to bed. Oh, so good. It's just a little thing, but it's just, you know, that feeling of luxury that you get, that thing that you notice. You can upgrade pots and pans. I mean, when was the last time you bought something new for the kitchen? Okay, so yeah, these things are built to last a lifetime. There's nothing wrong with them, but sometimes it's just really good. You just, you know, a lot of these things aren't that expensive either, so it's just nice to be able to, okay, let's pass it over to charity, donate it, and get something new. What else could you upgrade? Of course, you know, the bigger things like, you know, your wardrobe, clothing. I know that's something else that you could think about doing. Obviously, the way you look, so new hair color, or new earrings, or just, you know, new pair of shoes, or just something that will just make you feel really good. New underwear, right? So it's just some things which are just, okay, they've been the same for a little while. You haven't had any reason to change it. It's not broken. It's not something that's missing. You're just replacing it, but you're replacing it with something better, something that will give you joy, something that will make you feel like, oh, this feels so good, okay, when you see it. So something visual, something that you can touch and hold. You might want to upgrade what you've got. What apps do you have? Are there some apps that you haven't been using at all and you can just take off and then just have a little look around? I mean, what might be some great podcasts that you can start listening to? What might be a different genre of music that you can upgrade to? What could be, you know, you might be drinking just normal tea, normal coffee. How about upgrading the standard of your tea and coffee? You know, you can get really beautiful organic teas and lovely silk tea bags. You know, just hunt around, just see what is out there that is a standard above your current. Okay, so this is about raising your standards. Who are the people in your life that you probably don't need to be hanging around with that much? Okay, are there some people who actually drag you down? Can do a whole other talk on, you know, toxicity in relationships and in with friends and family and people. But, you know, who are some people that you feel drawn to being around, that you want to listen more to the content that they're providing? So think about where you're at, think about what you can upgrade to. So many different areas of your life that you can upgrade, and enjoy it. It's about lifting your standards, and when you lift your standards, when you raise your standards, it just gives you a whole different mindset, and that's what we're aiming for. I'll see you in the next video.